Okay, this is a demo of training plans on RideCave. When you come to the RideCave experience, if you have an active training plan, you'll see it here along the top. This one I already created. It starts in 6 days, and my first ride is on Tuesday, February 3rd, and it's up here for easy access. So if you're training, you just come here and hit ride, and you can start riding. Now, when you want to create a new one, you come down here to Plans, and you go to the Plans tab, and here you can see I've been creating several plans. You can only have one active plan going at a time. In the future, we're going to allow you to create plans and share them with other people. Maybe you're a coach and you want to create plans and share them with your clients, or you just want to share them with friends. But anyhow, I created this plan, and it ends in April. That's why it's called April. You can see that it starts February 2nd to the 27th of April. It's 13 weeks, and it starts in 5 days. When you open it, you see the plan view, and as you complete workouts, they are completed on the schedule. I went ahead and actually rode these. That's why they're completed. You can ride them in advance, but as I said, it doesn't start until the 3rd. You might wonder why it says February 2nd here. Well, workout plans start on a Monday. We try to start them on a Monday when we generate them so that you have equal increments of weeks. So that's why it says the 2nd. Let me show you how to create one. I'll just quickly scroll down here. You can see, but maybe we'll get into that in a second. So let me create one. Workout plans are generated based on your needs. So you select the training goal, whether you're peaking for an event, you're trying to do general fitness, or return to form, or maintain current fitness. There's a few different options. And then you can select the discipline of cycling. These are all the disciplines we have right now. And each of these disciplines generates a slightly different, nuanced training plan. You might not agree with it, but ultimately each of these has a bias for how they structure the training plans. I'm just going to select mountain bike short course. And the description updates here to tell you a little bit about what this focuses on. It auto names it. This one's preset here with these dates. You can change the dates however you want to target a different date. And you can set a few other options here, whether you're experienced or not, and how many weekly hours you have to train. The plan overview is here. It tells you your average weekly TSS, your total TSS, number of weeks, and phases. The workouts are generally broken down into 4 phases of base, build, specialty, and then taper. So we'll go ahead and generate this plan, and you can see here that the plan was created starting on the 2nd, and each week you can see your TSS overview, and then you can see your phases here on the left. You can go ahead and review this, and if it looked good, you can save, but perhaps you want to refine it. You can drag and drop and update these in real time. You can go ahead and edit these if you don't like a particular workout. You can add new ones. Let's say a week looks a little light. You might want to add something. Here, let's do threshold, and let's make it really spicy. And you can review the plan, and if it looks good, you hit save. And that plan is now saved. It's still in draft mode, but the plan has been stored and saved. You can choose to activate it, but you're only allowed to have one active plan at a time. I'm not sure why anybody might want multiple plans, but if there's a case for that, we can allow it. And that is workout plans. And you can edit these at any time, so if it's not working for you, you can modify it and change it or add additional workouts. I hope that's helpful. Editing right now is pretty limited. Well, not necessarily limited, but it will regenerate a new workout if you change any of these details. What you can change is the name. So if you didn't like this name, you can update it. And you'll see the button says save name. But if I change something like this, it'll regenerate. So right now you can only really change the name other than regenerating an entire plan. Okay, that is training plans. Thanks.